Some of you may have noticed that we've recently started uploading some Morning Starter PowerPoints, and if you're interested in using those, the way to find them is to click on the Scotland homepage like I'm on here, scroll down a little bit, find the little button that says warm-up activities and tap on that. Here you'll find a collection of our different warm-up activities or fast finisher activities, whatever you prefer to use them for. We've got our Maths Morning Starter PowerPoints here, and our daily challenges are here. So depending on what you're looking for, you can click on first level or second level. First level is called Brain Boogie, second level is called Brain Wake Up. I'm going to just click on second level just to show you what's here. And at the minute we've got 1st to the 10th of May. I'll open up that. More of these will be appearing as we go. The way to share these with your pupils is to go on, just like any resource, and download it. You need to be an Ultimate member to download these. And you can open it up and have a wee nosy as a PowerPoint. There we go. And they're really funky. So each day or each challenge has a day. It doesn't matter which year you're in. It doesn't specify whether it's Monday, Tuesday, etc. And there are lots of different questions here, challenges for your pupils that are basically picked from different topic areas, different curriculum areas. They may not need to know this, but there is a page of answers as well for all the different questions there. Now, what you can do is either pop this onto your display board, your smart board, whatever you have in your classroom, so that you're in control of whether the pupils see the answers or not. Or you can pop it onto Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams, whatever kind of different software your pupils use. You can pop it on just as a slide if you like. Or you can pop the whole thing on so that your kids can then download it and use it throughout the week. It's entirely up to you which way you do it. But I think we'd love some feedback on these. I think you'll find them really useful. We spent a lot of time working on them, but we'd love to know how you get on with them. But they're really easy to share, really fun for the children to use. Certainly the feedback that we've had so far has been excellent. So I really hope you enjoy using them.